Hello everyone, today I'm going to let you know the basic idea of the marine propulsion systems. So as you can see, this is the main engine crankcase area. So here have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the big engines, which is have 10 pistons of this engine, and this is the firing order 1, 9, 7, 2, 6, 8, 4, 3, 10 and 5, and this is the air control panel, and this is for air relief if there is too much hot inside pressure, so it will automatically relieve the pressure inside for explosions. For the safety device, and this is the thrust bearing inside the thrust bearing panel, and this is called a flywheel, which is connect to the drive shaft all the way through to the tail shaft. And this is the main engine lube oil pump to connect two pump over here to circulate the oil from the sump tank. And this is the turning gear for manual, the electric control for repairing purpose, usually using this motor. This is the electrical motor to rotate the flywheel, and this is called a drive shaft, which is all the way connect to this tail shaft and propeller. And this is called intermediate shaft bearings, which is this several bearing connect to this shaft. There is a 1, 2 and 3 intermediate shafts and 1 tail shaft. Especially because of the container ship vessel design, is most of the ship is similar like that. So we have a major overhauling over here to renew the propeller on these ships and to do the stand tube bearing inspection. So in order to do a stand tube bearing inspection, we got to remove one of the intermediate shaft from here, and coupling bolts, all those things. Right now we are proceeding to do a shaft coupling bolt jobs. After that, we will leave off one of the shaft using this trolley. We will hook up a chain blocks over here and then leave off one intermediate shaft. After that, clear out the bottom bearing. As you can see, there is a two half. One of the half we will remove from the top and ship aside, and the bottom bearing we will shift to the one corner, put a starboard, either whatever is the suitable place for to keep the bearings, and then we will down the intermediate shaft to the grounds, and later on we will able to pull out the tail shaft from here, and we need to disconnect the propeller from the shaft. This is the overhauling process to get the basic idea of the propeller. This is called a shaft coupling bolts. This is the shaft coupling bolts, which is using the dry ice to cold and force speed inside by the hammer, and removing using the hydraulic tools to remove the shaft coupling bolts. And this is called a stand tube forward seal, which is have a two seal over here. One is into this ring, another one is this ring. This seal is actually facing B type of seal, which is control the oil. All the way to the dry dock, there is a 4 seal, 2 for the water and 2 for the oil. Inside the stand tube there is full of oil, and out of the stand tube sealing there is a stand tube water cooling tank, which is let the oil to cool down when the system is running. This is the basic idea, and I will show you how to remove the shaft coupling bolts. So this is the process of removing the bolts. I'm going to connect the adapter. Okay, this is the adapter we're using for extract out the coupling bolts. So we have another 2 inches stay all over there, and we will going to fix one pipeline, the pipe and the hydraulic jack to force out the shaft coupling bolts. Okay, this is the process of removing the shaft coupling bolts of force fitting type. So you can see the hydraulic pipe, and the next is hydraulic jack connect to the nuts, and this is the air dry pump. Okay, it is start to movement. So all the way we will pull out until the hydraulic jack stroke is able to move. Is around 60 mm can move this hydraulic jack, and then we have to reset again. So this is the whole basics of removing the shaft coupling bolts. Anyway, thank you so much for staying with me. Bye bye. Muhammad from Gradle.